Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to understand and discuss laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever struggled to understand legal terms in English or wanted to improve your ability to navigate legal conversations, you're in the right place. Here, we make learning simple and practical so you can use these terms with confidence. In today's video, we'll cover common legal terms in English Explained. These are words and phrases you'll hear in legal documents, court cases, and even everyday conversations. Understanding them will help you feel more prepared when dealing with legal matters. Let's get started. First, we have law. A law is an official rule that everyone must follow. Laws are created by the government to maintain order and protect people's rights. The process of making a law is called legislation. Next, let's talk about contract. A contract is a legal agreement between two or more parties. It can be written or verbal, but most important contracts, like those for jobs, renting a house, or buying a car, are in writing. If someone breaks a contract, they are in breach of contract. Another key term is lawsuit. A lawsuit happens when one person or a company takes another to court to resolve a dispute. The person starting the lawsuit is called the plaintiff, while the person being accused or sued is the defendant. You'll also hear the word evidence. Evidence refers to facts, documents, or objects presented in court to prove a case. Lawyers use evidence to support their arguments and convince the judge or jury. Speaking of court, an important term is verdict. A verdict is the final decision made by a judge or jury at the end of a trial. If a person is found guilty of a crime, they receive a sentence, the punishment decided by the court. Another legal term to know is bail. Bail is money paid to the court to allow a person accused of a crime to stay out of jail until their trial. If they don't return for their court date, they lose the bail money. Finally, we have appeal. If someone believes a court's decision was unfair, they can file an appeal, which asks a higher court to review and possibly change the ruling. Learning these legal terms will help you better understand legal documents, court cases, and even news reports about legal matters. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel using them. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to help you learn and grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.